Good morning, students. I'm Neelam Gupta, your science teacher. Today I will explain you lesson 2, nutrients and deficiency diseases. Students, do you know we all need food? All the living things they need food to live and survive. Food gives us energy. It helps us in different ways. It helps us to do different kind of activities of the body. Secondly, it protects us from the diseases and also it keeps us healthy. Students, do you know what are the different sources of food? We get food from mainly from the plants and also we get from it animals. Food contain different type of substances which are called nutrients. Students, these nutrients are of different types. We have mainly 5 type of nutrients in our food. Number 1, carbohydrates. Number 2, fats. Number 3, proteins. Number 4, vitamins. And number 5, minerals. Other than these, surface and water are also needed by our body. Firstly, if we talk about these nutrients, we can divide our food into in 3 main groups. First one is the energy giving food, second one is the bodybuilding food, and third one is the protective food. Energy giving food, the food that is rich in carbohydrate and the fats. Bodybuilding food, the food that is rich in proteins. And the protective food, the food rich in vitamins and minerals. Student, first we talk about the energy giving food. As I have told you that carbohydrates and the fat both gives us energy. So carbohydrate, the main source of energy, and it gives us instant energy. So it is also called instant source of energy. Mainly the carbohydrates are sweet in taste. So what is the role of carbohydrate in our body? It gives us energy. The person who do more physical work, they need more energy. And what are the sources? The substances in which the food in which the carbohydrate is present. Potato, honey, sugar, jaggery, yani gur, rice and wheat. And bodybuilding food, as I have told you, yes, I want to also tell about the fat. The fat, that is also the energy giving food. The fat also gives us energy, but it doesn't gives us energy instantly. It takes time to digest and it takes time to give us energy. The fat causes obesity also. So we should not consume more fat because it can makes us obese. In winter, when we take fatty substances like ghee, butter, oil, then they give us heat and energy also. So what are the sources of fat? Oil, ghee, butter, cream, etc. Now bodybuilding food. What are the roles or the function of the bodybuilding food? We know bodybuilding food is rich in proteins. What is the function? Protein help in the growth and development of the body. It helps in the repair of wear and tear cells. Wear and tear cells means the broken cells. You know the cells they continuously formed in our body. When one cell is dead, then other cells is formed. Wear and tear means broken down. When the cells broken down after injury, then they are repaired by taking proteins. So what are the different sources of the proteins? Pulses, milk, eggs, meat, curd, cheese and fish. Now next we come to the protective food. As I have told you, the food rich in vitamins and mineral is called protective food. As from the name is clear, protective food, this is the food that protect us from the diseases. It protects us from the different diseases. Secondly, they keep us healthy. This food keep us healthy. And third one, it is needed also for the good vision and healthy skin. Students, if we want that our eyesight should be perfect, and we have a glowing healthy skin, then we should add protective food in our diet. uh, this protective food we need in the small amount. So what are the sources of these? Fresh fruits and vegetables. Yes, students, now we talk about the other components that makes us healthy also. Water. Besides nutrients, our body also need water. So we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So, what is the role of water in our body? Why water is necessary for us? Number one, it helps in the removal of waste. Do you know the food we eat that is digested by our body, then it gives energy, and waste is produced in this process. That waste is removed with the help of water, and that waste is removed in the form of urine and sweat, right? Second, it helps in the digestion of the food. Our food is digested properly. We drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now we come to the roughage or fiber. No doubt, roughage and fiber has its own role in our diet. What is roughage or fiber? The part of plant that cannot be digested by our digestive system. Means the food, these type of food is not digested by our digestive system, but they help in digestion of the food. So what is the role, what are the functions of this roughage or fiber? Number one, it helps in proper bowel movement. Bowel movement means proper, it helps in the digestion of the food. Second, prevents constipation. Constipation means your stomach, it will be cleaned easily daily. So, what are the different sources of these roughages? Raw vegetables like carrot, tomatoes, onion, radish, cucumber, beetroot. Do you know we call them salad? And wheat husk also, because it is rich in fiber. So every fibrous substance we should add in our diet. We should take them regularly. So students, you should eat a lots of salad every day. Now we come to the next. I have told you different components of the balanced diet, the carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals. In spite of that, we also need water and roughage in the small amount also. So, what is balanced diet? Here we will define it. A diet which contains all the nutrients in the right amount for proper growth and functioning of our body. Yani it means it is a diet which has all the nutrients in right amount, and that helps in the proper growth of the body, proper functioning of the body, and in this way it keeps our body strong and healthy. So students, we have talked about the balanced diet. So I want to say there are certain habits that we should follow, good food habits that we should follow if we want to remain healthy. So to remain healthy, what we should do? We should follow some good food habits which are as follows. Number one, what we should do? Students, you all see in your homes that your mama wash the vegetables and the fruits before cutting them. She dipped them for some time in the water so that all the harmful chemicals and the preservatives, they get rid of them. So what you will do? You will wash the vegetables and fruits before cutting them, before eating them. Right. Number two, do not overcook the food as it destroys all the nutrients of food. Students, we should not overcook the food. If we overcook the food, then all the nutrients of the food, they get destroyed. Number three, do not undercook the food also. Undercook means if it is not properly cooked, then what would happen? It is very difficult to digest this kind of food. We will not able to digest this type of food. Number four, cover the utensil or the pan while cooking the food. When we cook the food, we should cover our utensil or pan. Then it may be easily cooked and readily cooked. Number five, never fry or warm the food again and again. Students, we should not fry or warm the food again and again. Next, we should not throw the water in which vegetables are cooked, because this water has so many nutrients in it. If we will throw the water, then the food that will, yeah, the vegetables that we will eat, that has no nutrients in it. All the nutrients, they are washed away with water. So these are the certain food habits that we should remember while cooking the food, while eating the food. So these are the ways, if you follow them, then you will get all the nutrients from the food. So we have talked about the balanced diet, different components, the certain good food habits. Now, taking balanced diet is not enough. If we want to keep our body healthy, we should do exercise daily. So, what is the role of exercise in our day-to-day life? Yeah, why it is important for our body? Students, do you know, if we do exercise daily, then what would happen? It will make our body strong and healthy. Our body becomes strong and healthy. Secondly, it will tone up our muscles. Tone up means it will strengthen, it will make our muscles very strong. Third, it makes us lean and active. Lean means it keeps our body in the shape, proper shape, and our body will be active. It also helps in the proper circulation of blood throughout the body. In our body, the blood will be properly circulated. Our internal organs work properly. Internal organs like heart, lungs, kidney, intestine, they will work properly if we will do exercise. So students, now you will be able to understand the importance of exercise. So you have to take balanced diet, you have to exercise daily if you want to remain healthy. Students, have you ever heard about the word posture? What do you mean by this posture? Even in the class, ma'am says you, beta, please sit in the proper position. Don't bend down on your notebook. So, have you got it? What is posture? Yes. Posture is the position in which we move, sit, stand, bend, and walk. So, we should sit and stand straight. So, right or correct posture also helps to keep our body healthy. So, we should maintain the proper posture if we want to remain healthy, right? We will get rid of many health problems like cervical, spondylitis, and the backache, lower back pain. There are some diseases which we cause due to bad posture. Now we come to rest or sleep. Balanced diet is important, exercise is important, posture is important. Rest or sleep is they have also their vital role for keeping our body healthy. We all know, after a long day of work, our body gets tired and it needs rest. So students, everybody should take undisturbed sleep of 7 to 8 hours. Also, we can relax mentally. What you will do when you are exhausted and you want to relieve the stress, you listen the music, you dance, and you watch the television. By doing this, you feel relaxed. So students, what you will do, you will take undisturbed means continuous 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep. And for relax your mind, time to time you can listen music, you can do any favorite activity, you can dance, and you can do sketching, drawing, or you can watch television. So the sleep, the rest, that will make you fit and fine. So what you will do, you will take balanced diet, you will do exercise, you will keep your body posture in proper position, and you will take proper rest or the sleep. So this is all about the today's lecture. Now the rest of the chapter will be continued in the next video. Goodbye, students.